Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. The flu has hit us here on Medling World. Let's talk about it quick because today we're supposed to be at Mardi Gras. Come on in, check it out. Hey guys, yes, it's not the most fun video I like to make, saying that the flu has come into the environment of Medling World. Jake and I both got hit this past week. Starting to recover, which is good. Roberta, thank God, has been okay. I think the worst is behind me, but I wanted to make this video today with the advice from my very intelligent wife, Roberta. Much more smart than I am. Smarter than I am. See, I didn't even use the proper grammar. She said, Matt, you need to make a video because we were supposed to be at Mardi Gras today. And I was pushing myself to go. I think I could have made it, but, again, Roberta and I talked about it. Jake, maybe it's best we don't go today. Let's give one more day just to kind of get a little bit better. Maybe, if you go and you push it too much today, it could backfire, and then I'm laid up. So that's really why I wanted to make this video. We were supposed to be there again today for opening day, but we do plan to go tomorrow to Mardi Gras. We want to cover the whole event like we enjoy to do. We'll also be there Monday afternoon throwing beads, so we'll show you the perspective of throwing beads during the parade and give you all the information about that. But yeah, the flu had come in here. I've been very fortunate. I've gone a couple years without really being sick, but this one was a doozy. I'll tell you, the fever came in, off and on fever for a good 3 days, two and a half, 3 days, where I'd have a fever, I'd take medicine, kind of go away, up and down. I'm sure, if you're watching, leave me some comments if anybody's kind of been hit with this illness that's been going around this year. And then just body aching. You can probably still hear a little bit in my throat. I was coughing so much, I think I just, my throat is a little bit irritated. I feel as if I am getting better. Definitely feeling better than I had the last few days. But wanted to just be a little bit precautious and not push it too much today by going to Mardi Gras. But boy, I tell you what, I do not like to be laid up with sickness. I'll tell you that right now. Especially now that we enjoy making vlogs. I also have my job at Publix. We all work, and the benefit of all that work is we're able to make these videos on Medling World and share them with you. I'm not used to making a video like this because I always think like, why do I need to tell anybody that I'm not feeling great? But again, Roberta, who's much smarter than me, said it is important because we do have people that really care and watch us and like the way that we vlog and the content we put out. So that's something that I am trying, part of my my mentality is to know that it is important. And as you grow and you want to be successful on this platform, you take care of the people that watch you, that subscribe to you, because that's how you get bigger. And we're very blessed because every day this channel grows. Sometimes it grows a lot in a day. Sometimes it grows just a little bit. But every single day our channel is growing. And we are committed to Medling World. We're committed to making vlogs all around Central Florida, all cruising, international travel as we grow. We're real people, and this is part of why I wanted to make this video today, is just to let you know, hey, we got hit with the flu. So if you hadn't seen a video in a couple days, that's why. I know we did I think it was Trader Joe's, and then we did a Lowe's warehouse. I had filmed those earlier in the week, which I was happy about. We made them both in the same day. Right as I was starting, like I kind of felt, I think I mentioned in one of them, like, I felt like I was getting a little bit of a cold. And then within the next couple days, man, it got bad. But once again, I do feel like the worst is behind. I think I'm coming into the recovery part of this. Could have pushed it today and went, but better minds thought that might not be the greatest idea. We can still enjoy going tomorrow, which we are planning to do, unless, I wake up tomorrow and I'm still not doing great. So guys, again, just a quick vlog. Not used to making short vlogs like this. But we are recovering finally now from the flu. Just wanted to give you an update on that. And thank you all for being committed to our channel. And I want to be able to give that back to you. That's very important for me to do. It's not the most... it's not the easiest video for me to make, because in my mind, I have to tell myself that there's actually like people that are waiting for these videos to come out, and it's a blessing. So my mentality is changing, and to be more aware of that, because that's the only way it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger, is because of all the people that enjoy to watch it. So thank you once again for listening, and this quick update should be back to normal after this. After you're watching this, should be just normal vlogs coming back out. Our Mardi Gras full coverage vlog will be out. We'll be throwing beads. That'll be a separate vlog. And then we'll just continue on with our Medling World vlogs throughout the week and days to come. People have been asking about cruising. We are looking into cruising. I promise you, we will be cruising at some point. It's just about... hey, when is everybody able to do it? What cruise line are we going to go on? These are all the things that have to come together. But cruising is very important to us. And you know what? I think we could all use a cruise. We haven't been on a cruise in a long time. Last year, we only did 2 cruises in 2025. The year before that, our channel grew quite a bit. We did, I think, 4 or 5 cruises. So... make no mistake, people enjoy Medling World Cruise vlogs. We're very in-depth with it. We show you everything that's going on these cruise ships we go on. You're going to know, from real perspective of what exactly we're doing, how these cruises go. So, important for us to get cruising again. I know it is a boost for our channel, and it's what our subscribers really, really enjoy. So, I can... at least tell you, it is on the horizon that we will be cruising. And as soon as we can make it official, we'll make that announcement, because there's nothing better than a Medling World cruise announcement video. Love making those. So guys, the ramble is over. Thank you for listening. Hopefully the worst of this flu sickness is behind us, as Jake is just laying. One other thing. It's kind of cool, because when we moved into this apartment, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, and we love living here. It is a great apartment, but we bought a couch, and our couch opens up to a bed. You've probably seen some videos. Sometimes we make a video at home sitting on our couch, but it opens up into a bed. So the last few days, I've been kind of just enjoying, not enjoying because I haven't felt good, but so I can be out here in the living room and everything. We've pulled that couch out, turned it into the bed, and I've been kind of just chilling on there. And a huge shout out to Roberta, because, man, she says on the videos a lot that she does not cook, which is true. I do most of the cooking, but for the past few days with me being sick, I'm a blessed man. I'll tell you right now, I am a blessed man to have Roberta as my wife. She has, cooked all the meals. She's been taking care of me. She even stayed home a day from work because she said, I don't want to be at work while you and Jake are here sick. I want to be here with you guys. I want to be able to make sure that you can rest. Unbelievable. I'll even get up to, because when I don't feel good, I don't want to just... anybody leave me some comments. First of all, leave me some comments if you've had this flu sickness thing that's going around, and if you're the type of person like me, even during the day 2 of this was really bad, man. The fever, my body was just aching and hurting, but I still I got to do something. I hate being laid out like this. So in my mind, I say, I don't care. So I would get up and I'd start doing stuff. Roberta, no, you need to rest. You can't be pushing yourself. So she's been amazing while Jake and I have been laid up. So shout out to her. I know she's off camera. She's doing stuff around the house even right now. And she said, Matt, this is your video. I don't need to be on this video today. And she's right. I just wanted, again, to reach out to you guys to let you know. You hadn't seen a video in a couple days. A Mardi Gras video, which I was so excited to get there today. But I just can't push it. One more day, I think, is a better option. So with that being said, guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. Help our channel grow now as we have hit 14,500 subscribers. A true blessing. Do you think we can get to 15,000 by my birthday, March 15th? It's possible. You guys could help. Hit the button. Maybe you've watched for a while. Share with your friends. I would love nothing more. That would be a lot, though. That would be a lot of subs. That would probably, 500 subs in a little over a month would be really difficult to do. But let's see how close we can get. 14,500. Now we're going towards that 15,000. What a nice number that is. Help us reach our goals as we continue to make you vlogs by keeping it real. Take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Let's get this flu behind me. I'm tired of being laid up in this house. I need to get back out there with my camera and my passion for making vlogs with the help from Jake and our amazing wife and mother, Roberta. See ya!